In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can open HTML files on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to the Play Store, go to the main page of the Play Store, and what you want to type in is HTML and then viewer. So as you can see, what I typed in there is HTML viewer. You can tap onto the first result, and then you can download this one right here at the top. So then tap onto that and then simply hit on install. This will now install the HTML viewer. It's around 13 megabytes. So you just want to make sure that you wait for that to finish. Now it's fully downloaded and now it's installing. So then you can open it up and you just need to go through this setup. So you can just go next, and then get started. So right here you can see it says load file. So tap onto load file, and here you can see I have some HTML files. So I'm going to open up this one right here, and as you can see, here it is. It's opened up the HTML code. You can view the code, and then to preview this you can hit the preview button at the bottom, and then you'll be able to preview it. So once again, if you want to edit the page, just hit edit and you can do that, but you'll need to go premium depending on the app you used. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.